In this video, I wanted to show you how you could work with practicums or practicals in Lanteria HR's learning module. So a practical is essentially an assessment that can be done as part of some sort of event-based training, whether it be virtual or in person, where the learner is going to complete something or do something or be assessed on something afterwards. And in the case here, it involves uploading a document that the training manager will then assess. So let's just have a quick look at how it's actually set up in the first place. So what I'll do is to open up this Dangerous Goods course. All right, we'll open that particular course. This is the details of the course. We've actually added our practical assessments that the learner can download. And if I want to upload more documents, I can do it there. And then in terms of the actual practicum, so how many practicals do they have? What is the percentage of each practical worth in terms of the overall score? You can read more about that in the help. So you can see that I have 2 practical assessments to accompany this Dangerous Goods course. One's worth 15% and one is worth 20% of the overall score. So we've done that, and we've scheduled this particular course. So I might just switch now over to what it looks like from an employee's perspective for a moment. Okay, so now I'm logged in as an employee, Lisa, and we'll just go to her development plan. You can see here the course is already on her list of things to do. So this box here, as always, shows you everything that you need to do with regard to HR. But let's go into the development plan so you can actually see the particular course. So just move me over here. You can see here Dangerous Goods Handling course and when it is. Now what you can do is you can upload the practicals from here, but you can also click on the discussion board, which opens up a whole bunch of extra functionality. So by going in here, we can actually see details of the course, the objectives. It tells us we've got 2 4-hour training sessions followed by our practical assessment. We can see our practical assessment documents, and if we wanted to upload them from here, we can as well. So let me just take a moment also to explain the discussion board function is something that attendees that are registered on this training event, and you can see here that there's obviously 2 out of 8 seats available, so 6 people are registered. They can actually be read announcements or be involved in discussions, whether it be with the group or just with 1 or 2 other people in the group. So as an employee, when I'm coming back, I've done my course, I'm just going to upload my practical assessment documents. So I'll just do those quickly here. So I've uploaded both of those, and then the next thing I'm going to do when I'm happy is submit them for review. Okay, so the first one's submitted, and we'll submit the second one as well. Done. Okay, so now let's switch over to what it looks like from the Learning Manager side of things again. All right, so I'm putting my Learning Manager hat back on, and we're going to open up the Dangerous Goods training. And what we're going to do is go to Manage Attendees, and from there we can actually see, amongst other things, the practicum schedule. So if we want to do our practical assessment, we would go into here and we would see all of the uploaded documents from the employees, and I can click on that to download it, and then for each one I can go and assess that. I'll have a look at the document, give it an assessment. Lisa's got a 90, and I'll mark that one off as completed. All right, now I'm going to take my Learning Manager hat off again and go back to the employee view so you can see what they see. So as we can see here on Lisa's development plan, if I go to practicums, and I'll just move myself again to the other side of the screen, you can see here that she has that 90% score. This one's been submitted but not scored yet. And that's how practicals inside of Lanteria work. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you got something out of it, go ahead and click on the like button now. And if you'd like to learn more about how to get the most out of Lanteria, or you'd like to stay on top of the constant product updates that are being put out, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.